G'day guys, today we're talking 2018, how it stacked up for you, and stick around because I've got something life-changing for you special tonight. But before we get stuck in on it, let me introduce myself. My name is Tim Guest. I'm Australia's leading financial educator and the Managing Director of Infinite Wealth. And if it's your first time tuning in tonight, g'day Blanche, welcome to the broadcast. If it's your first time tuning in, welcome along. Of course, I know we're gonna have lots of our long-term followers tuning in as well. So welcome back guys. G'day John, how are you mate? Getting a little bit distracted. All right, cool. So also interaction. Love to see your interaction with this video, right? So please love, like, angry. I'll ask you some questions. I'd love for you to put the answers down below. If you've got a question that you want me to answer, put that down below as well. And of course, the one thing that we really want you guys to do is really share this video with your friends and family on your social media channels. It keeps me inspired for doing these videos, and of course, it helps us reach a bigger audience. But like I said, the whole topic of today's conversation is 2018, how it stacked up for you as we near the end of 2018. I find this is a really good time to actually start to sit back and look back on the goals that you may have set for yourself at the beginning of the year and start to sum up about how did you go with those goals? Did you win? Did you lose? Did you draw? And of course, we can start to use some of this information to start planning and looking towards next year. Now, personally, what about you? How did you go financially? And that's what I really want to talk about tonight, financially. I mean, for me personally, I'm starting to ramp up and get ready to do a lot of investing in 2019. So I've cut my spending. I'm actually going to be getting a new car, and I'm also going to be getting a new house. What about you financially? Now, one of the things that I find very commonly is that people often get towards the end of the year and start to realize the goals that they had at the start of the year, they haven't even really started working on. Okay, really they didn't put any time, attention, focus into those goals. And that's what I want to speak to you about tonight, guys. If 2018 was going to be the year that you were finally going to get your money sorted out, maybe start investing, start taking control, stop, that constant working really hard, making lots of money, but never seem to be getting ahead. Okay, and like I said, what I've got for you guys tonight, if that's you, I've got something really, really life-changing. We've got our last ever evening workshop for the year, December 4th at the Perth Convention Centre. Now, I said this is life-changing. What do I get that from? What do I mean? Guys, I'm not just creating this, I am talking about this is real live evidence from our clients that have attended our evening workshop. You've got one of our Google reviews there, life-changing, okay? Another one of our Google reviews, Lee Fisher, life-changing. Another one of our Google reviews from James, life-changing. This is what people experience when they deal with Infinite Wealth, when they come along to one of our evening workshops, particularly if you're someone that really wants to, get their hands around their financial circumstances, really start taking charge and making sure that 2019 is going to be a real big win. For those of you in Perth, man, you wait to start to see that recovery really kicking into gear as we enter 2019. So this is the time that you really want to be taking advantage of it. Okay, so like I said, details, if you haven't been along to one of our workshops, you want to get along. Tuesday the 4th of December at the Perth Convention Exhibition Centre, 6:30 to 9:30. Here's my promise from me to you. You come along and you participate, you'll walk out the door at the end of the night and you'll be so glad that you spent that Tuesday evening with me and the team. You could be one of those next clients writing a life-changing review on Google reviews. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for me. I'm going to put a link in the comment box below so that if you want to get a couple of free tickets, all you need to do is click on that link, fill out your details. We'll be in contact to arrange tickets from there. Guys, short video from me tonight. Don't miss out. Don't let another year go by. Great talking to you. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks a lot.